Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the command prompt. Press Win+R, type CMD, then hit Enter. If you need higher privileges, right-click the Start button, choose Command Prompt Admin or Run as Administrator. This matters when managing protected processes. Once the window appears, make sure the prompt shows a valid path like C/users/u, so commands run in your user context. Now you're ready to execute the commands that will launch Task Manager directly from the shell. You'll type Taskmanager and press Enter. That simple command launches Task Manager immediately because Taskmanager exe is registered in System Paths. If you prefer a new shell window, type Start Taskmanager and press Enter. This spawns Task Manager as a separate process, so the current prompt remains usable. For deeper control, you can run TaskList to view running processes, or taskl/PID_F to force stop a stubborn process. These follow-up commands explain why the CMD approach is powerful. You're finishing by confirming Task Manager opened and inspecting the processes or performance tabs for the data you need. Once done, close Task Manager or keep it open while you run diagnostics. If Taskmanager won't start, run sfc/scano from the same CMD to scan and repair system files. Make sure to run as administrator when required. If that fails, boot into safe mode or check group policy and the registry. Those often explain why Task Manager is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.